Hello dear students, how are you my dears? I wish you are very well at your home. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise of the topic narration. Dear students, we are talking about class 9th. The first part of this topic has been completed. Here in the second part, you will get exercise of narration. You will get some more exercise in this topic. How do we change a direct speech sentence into indirect speech? My dear students, there are so many changes in this topic. I have told you the 5 rules to change a direct speech sentence into indirect speech. The first exercise is Rama said to me, how are you? This is your question or the direct speech sentence, and we have to change this sentence into indirect speech. The rule is that first of all we change RV clause. I repeat the sentence, I repeat the words that there are 2 parts of narration. One is direct, second is indirect. Direct narration has also 2 parts. One is called RV, means reporting verb, and second is reported speech, means RS. Dear students, first of all we change RV clause, not RS. And in RV, you will not change the subject and the object. You will change only the verb. You will change only the verb. Then the first rule is that changes of verb in RV. And the second rule is that we apply connector that while connecting 2 clauses RV and RS. And the third is pronoun changes. How do we change the pronouns given in reported speech? Reported speech has pronouns and we change these pronouns according to RV. We change the pronouns given in reported speech according to the reporting verb. If we change RV, then we change RV according to RS. These clauses are dependent to each other. So dear students, third rule is pronoun change and fourth rule is tense change and fifth rule is time and space change. Okay dears, here we will write Rama. We will not change Rama. We change only the verb. And verb said to will be changed into asked. Dear students, mind it, we pronounce the word asked, not asked. Get it? Asked, not asked. Rama asked me. Here we will apply connector. and connector will be applied here. How? We will write the same WH word as a connector. Why? Because these WH words are used as a connector. If RS clause begins with any WH or how word, then we apply connector, the same WH or how word. If RS clause is affirmative or negative, then we will apply connector. That if RS clause is interrogative or yes no type question, then we will apply connector if or whether. Okay dears, if do you have any problem, then you can write your problem in comment box. Okay dears, how? The subject is you. Mind it, we always write the subject after the connector. Here the connector is how and the subject is you. Then you will have to write here you, but you is the pronoun, so you will have to change the pronoun according to the object of RV, and the object is me. So you will write here you into me into I, means you is the subject, me is the object. So we will write the subject in place of subject. Okay dears, and I is the subjective pronoun of me. You is the subject, so we will write subject in place of subject. Okay. Next means tense change. Dear students, tense change means if RS clause has present tense, then change all present tenses into past tense. Means to say, if there is present indefinite tense, change into past indefinite. If there is present continuous or progressive, then change into past progressive continuous. If there is present perfect, then you will change it into past perfect tense. If there is present perfect continuous in RS clause, then change it into past perfect continuous. If there are the models as can into could, shall into should, will into would, may into might, and could, would, should are not changed. Okay dears, here we will write or we will change are into was or were. We apply was helping verb with the subject. So the indirect speech of this direct narration will be Rama asked me how I was. Okay, clear? Next, direct, indirect, direct. Let's begin. Mohan shed he is playing chess. Dear students, this is your next exercise. Mohan, indirect, Mohan shed will be changed into shed. Mind it, if RS clause is not interrogative or WH word sentence, then we change said into said or said to into told. Okay dears, if the RS clause is interrogative, then change said or said to, means both are changed into asked if the sentence is interrogative. But here the sentence is not interrogative, it is affirmative sentence. He is playing chess, then you will change said into said. If there would be said to, then we will change or we change it into told. Okay dears, RS clause is interrogative, change said or said to into asked. If RS clause is affirmative negative, then change said into said or said to into told. Get it? Okay. Mohan said, here apply connector that. I have already told you that if RS clause is affirmative or negative, then apply connector that. Okay dears? The subject is he. He is the pronoun and pronouns are changed. But dear students, if first person pronoun or second person pronoun is given in reported speech, then we change it. But mind it, if there is the third person pronoun in reported speech, then we do not change the third person pronoun. Means to say, if RS clause has first person pronoun, change it according to the subject of RV. If RS clause has second person pronoun, then change it according to the object of RV. If RS clause has third person pronoun, then we do not change third person pronoun in reported speech. Okay dear students, I recall you, there are three types of pronouns. Three types of pronouns: first person, second person, third person. First person, I, we, me, us, my, mine, our, ours, myself, ourselves. Second person, you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves. And third persons are he, she, it, they, he, him, his, himself, she, her, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, themselves. These are the pronoun table. This is the pronoun table. These are the pronouns. So, he is the third person and we do not change third person. He, you will write he in place of he. It will be changed into was. The sentence is of present continuous tense. You will change it into past continuous. He was playing chess. This is your second sentence. Third sentence is Arun said to her, can you do this work? This is your direct speech sentence, dear students. You will change it into indirect speech. Arun Kumar said will be changed into asked because there is a question mark. Said or said to are changed into asked if there is any question mark. My dear students, the subject is Arun, said to will be changed into asked, and you will write here her, write the connector. But my dear students, the sentence is interrogative and this type of sentence is a yes no type question. Can you do this work? If you can, you will speak yes, I can. If you can't, then you will speak no, I can't do this work. Okay dear students, can you do this work? You will write if. You can also write here whether. But dear students, you will write any one of the two. You will write any one of the two. Okay, the subject is you. You is the second person and second person is always changed according to the object, and object is here her, and the subject of her is she. So you will change you into she. Next is tense, and tense is can. Can is changed into could. Do. We always write the first form of the main verb after modal. First form of the main verb after modal. this will be changed into that, and you will write WORK, work, and remove, my dear students, remove all the symbols, all the interrogation mark, all the interjection, commas, inverted commas from your sentence or from indirect speech sentence. Okay, dear students. Next is Raj said to him. Raj said to him. Raj said to him, when did you go to Agra? This is the sentence. Raj said to him, when did you go to Agra? Dear students, my dear students, Raj said to, it changed into asked because there is question mark. You will change it into asked. So write here him, then apply connector when. I have already told you or frequently told you. First rule is verb is changed. Second rule is write the connector if RS clause is affirmative or negative. Write connector that. If RS clause begins with any helping or modal, there is question mark, means to say interrogative sentence, means to say yes no type question, then apply if or whether. And third is, if the RS clause is interrogative, means WH word sentence, then apply the same WH word as a connector. Okay, dear students, write the subject. Subject is here you. You is the second person, and second person is changed according to the object. Object is here him. You will write here he, means to say you is the subject and him is the object. You will change him into subject, and the subject of him is he. Next, did go. Did go means past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense is always changed into past perfect tense. Did means had, go means gone. Did go means past indefinite tense, and had gone means past perfect tense. To Agra, to Agra. Okay? Clear? If you have any problem, write in comment box. Okay, dear students, I have told you some exercises here. I think that you have got it, or got the sentences, got the rules of narration. How do we change these narration sentences into indirect speech or indirect narration? So, dear students, here we complete the class, or we end our class. In next class or next video, we will talk about narration, means in narration imperative sentences. Okay, thank you.